Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to join Google Bard AI waitlist for absolutely free. Now, first of all, this is obviously a new AI from Google, right? You obviously know that already. Now, if you want to join, Google Bard AI waitlist, you will need to be a USA citizen or UK citizen. If you do not have those two citizenship, then make sure to go and watch my video on how to access Google Bard AI chatbot worldwide. Well, all you have to do right here is you have to have a non-business related Gmail account, and you have to be in UK or USA. All you have to do is go to Google, type in Google Bard, and here go to bar.google.com. Once you go here, you will be able to see this screen, and here you will be able to go and hit join waitlist. As you can see, if I click join waitlist, I cannot do it because, again, Bard does not currently support Google Workspace accounts or when our system indicate you might be under 18. So make sure to have this, right? Again, if you want to know how to access Google Bard AI chatbot worldwide, we actually made that video available for everyone. So make sure and check that out. And yeah, we'll see you basically in another video. Thank you guys for watching.